If you need to part dispose of an asset, you'll need to break the asset down into smaller chunks, and to be able to do that, you'll need to split the asset using a kit. I can see within my asset register I have an asset that's listed as 10 air conditioners. I want to split this into 10 separate parts. I'm going to do so using the tools option and select within the kit options, create kit from asset. As we break the asset down into separate parts, we give each part a name, a description, and we can allocate a percentage or a value, the value being the net book value. To add multiple lines, use the plus button on the far right. After adding all 10 entries, I can see that I have 100%. But I do have a difference with the value, and this is simply down to roundings. So I can override the final value. Once that value has been corrected, I have 100%, the total value is in line, and I can click OK to save. The asset will now have been broken down into a kit. If we're looking at the asset register, clicking on the little expander arrow, we'll be able to look at all of the parts within the kit. If we need to dispose of one of those parts, we simply use the tools on the far right hand side to dispose. If we take a look back within the kit, the disposed asset will appear at the bottom of the list. If you're trying to part dispose of an asset that has a zero net book value brought forward from a previous financial year, you won't see the option to create a kit from the asset. In this case, note all of the details of the asset, including the purchase date, the original cost and the accumulated depreciation, and then delete the asset. Then you'll need to download the import template, break the asset down into the multiple parts, and then import the separate asset parts. If you wish, you can then group those parts together into a kit, and that is covered in the next video.